I've opened a couple other James Bond Jr. action figures for Vintage Toy Freedom. The Parachute James Bond Jr. and that guy, I forget his name. That is part of the line, but I did not open him. I bought him loose. And I've mentioned that has a really, really amazing soundtrack. I remember digging the show when I was a kid, so I wanted to show you that. So obviously this guy, he's pretty rough here. His card is all bent and wavy. The bubble's starting to peel. This is the James Bond Jr. in Scuba gear, and I actually had this as a kid. This is from Hasbro from 1991. You see there's, various different James Bond Juniors. I also had the Ninja Gear one as a kid. An Odd Job. I always thought those ones were pretty cool. It has a little decoder thing to read the secret message down here. Comes with some Bond points, which I doubt you could ever really do anything with. He's got a sports car, a motorcycle, a shark, a disc CD player, booby trap thing, and a watch. I don't know. One thing that's really interesting about this, so there's instructions on the back there. Also, we got the great Toys R Us sticker here. This costs $4.99. So I'm going to take this off. I mean, it's just, he's been aching for me to free him from his prison. So there he is. He's got a spear and some flippers and a little mask. So, okay, it says, fully immerse figure in water before step 3. Pull plug out of chest plate. Fill hole with baking powder. Replace plug. Place figure face down in water. Watch him dive and surface. Here's a sticker. Note. In step number 2, use baking powder, not baking soda. Figure must wear all accessories for diving action to function. I'll admit, I can see how Hasbro made that mistake because I also get baking soda and baking powder confused. I know that one you use to make your refrigerator smelling clean, and the other is in like a little round metal tin. Use that to make cookies and stuff. So, common mistake. What's interesting, there's actually a black sticker on there too, so I wonder if maybe they had the original instructions and then they messed it up and then they messed it up again, or they thought they messed it up. So let's see. I always like weird little things like this. Yeah, that's not coming off there. But yeah, this sticker they had to add because they realized after they had printed this that it was wrong. So somebody had a fail there. So he's got this little plug that comes out. And then in the back there's another sort of plug, kind of like on a water gun. And then he's got this, he can hold his spear here in his hand. Or, you see here kind of on his wrist is like a, I guess supposed to be kind of a launcher, as the card art shows. This mask comes off. Let's take it off. So I think this is a cool line. I mean, some of these guys are cool. He's got his, a pretty powerful nunchuck whip action. The parachuting one comes with a black G.I. Joe backpack with a pretty cool parachute. And if you want to see that, watch that episode. I'm not going to take that out because that's pretty hard to get back in there. Jaws here, he's got some mouth chomping action. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a neat line. I think it's very underrated. And again, it's something that I did watch as a kid, and I had some of the toys, so it's not like it's super obscure as some of the other toy lines I open are. These guys are just falling all over the place. They don't stand very well. Anywho, I thought about trying to make him do his diving function thing, but I don't know, it seems like a lot of work and a lot of mess, and I don't really want to fool around with that right now. There's a lot of cleaning involved, it sounds like. But I do like to show you the secret mission down here. So we put the red decoder strip over the card and see what his next mission will be. So James Bond Jr. is James Bond's nephew. he wants to be like his uncle. But that's really Odd Job. I mean, he's fighting some of the same dudes. So this works kind of like 3D glasses in a way, but it blocks out. I guess Transformers had those too, right? So he's got his goggles, real sink and surface action. And so his mission is an Aegean Sea, Walter D. Plank, the evil sea dog, which is that guy. He's trying to melt the polar ice caps with some lasers, so James Bond Jr. has to dive down and destroy him. So yeah, so I think this is a cool figure. I don't know, maybe I'll try to use it with its sink and dive action. But yeah, he's happy to be freed from his prison. I mean, the card is all messed up, and now he can go fight Walter D. Plank, and we can save the polar ice caps from the Trump administration. So there he is, James Bond Jr. in scuba gear. Thanks for watching. Open your toys, play with them. Don't get baking soda and baking powder mixed up, or you might have some yucky cookies.